Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Random Facts by Shikha. In today's video we will know top 10 best dishwasher brands in India. Before starting the video, would request you to please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Faber 12 place setting dishwasher FFSD 6PR12S has 12 place settings and 6 washing programs. Its water consumption is between 10 liters to 17 liters and is available at a price of Rs 34,990. All the product links are mentioned in the description box, so please don't forget to check that. IFB Neptune SX1 15 place setting is a large capacity dishwasher. It consumes 9 liters of water and is available at Rs 41,570. Amazon Basics 12 place setting dishwasher has 12 place setting and comes with 7 wash programs. It consumes 11 liters of water and can be purchased at Rs 28,999. BPL D8112 S27A 12 place setting dishwasher has 12 place setting and 8 preset cleaning programs. You can purchase it at Rs 29,990. Bosch freestanding 12 place setting dishwasher comes with 12 place settings and 6 preset programs. It is available at Rs 45,290. Siemens 12 place settings dishwasher has 12 place setting and 6 wash programs. It consumes 10 liters of water. Its online price is Rs 31,240 rupees. LG dishwasher with True Steam QuadWash has 14 place capacity and consumes 9 liters of water. It is available at Rs 56,830. IFB Neptune VX fully electronic dishwasher has 12 place settings and consumes 9 liters of water. It is available at Rs 32,490 rupees. This model of Faber has a 12 kg capacity with 14 place setting. Its online price is 47,990 rupees. Voltas is one of the most trusted brands in India. This model has 8 place settings and can wash up to 96 dishes. Its online price is 21,499 rupees. If you like the video, then please don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel.